What's good, OG Squad, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my top 3 tips on how you can improve your thumbnails. And just remember, if you enjoyed the video or do find it helpful, please do hit that like button and subscribe with the post notification bell on if you're new to the channel. And the OG Squad shoutouts are on screen right now. And just to tell you, if you follow all the tips that I share in this video, your thumbnails should be able to go from this to this. So first tip that I have for you guys is to not use that much text in your thumbnails. The maximum amount of words that I recommend you put in your thumbnail is 3 to 5 words. Because I don't know if you know this, but most of the viewership on YouTube is from iPhones, from Androids, just from mobile devices. And having more than 6 words can make it look like a paragraph to a person watching on a mobile device. And next tip that I have for you is use fonts that are easy to see. Because if you have a font that's not easy to see, a potential viewer might not click on your video, simply because of the text in your thumbnails. And if you're extremely lucky, the viewer might still click on your video because they saw your title. But that very rarely happens, so you might want to clean up your thumbnails. And the third and final tip is just to use some extra effects in your thumbnail. Now, I'm not saying just go overboard with effects, but use enough effects so that it's more clickable. Like maybe add some arrows or some other effects, and that is all the tips that I have to cover in my video. Thank you so very much for watching till the end, and if you want to watch some more videos, there'll be a playlist up in the card, and you can just watch those. Also, subscribe and drop a like because it's free, and it literally only takes 2 seconds. So remember to do that, and stay humble, stay Gucci, peace out.